Cast on 52 stitches. Work a ribbing 1 by 1. Then work more 5 rows knitting a ribbing 1 by 1. Change the yarn and work 2 rows. Change the yarn and work 4 rows. Change the yarn and work 2 rows. Change the yarn one more time and work 6 rows. Work 10 rows with garter stitches. Knit 18 stitches, turn the work and slip them. Knit 16 stitches and let them on the needle. Slip the rest 18 stitches. Knit 40 stitches in garter stitches. Cast on the stitches on the needle. Knit 2 rows with knit stitches. Change the yarn and knit 4 rows with knit stitches. Change the yarn and knit 2 rows with knit stitches. Change the yarn and knit 4 rows with knit stitches. Work 2 rows with brown color, 4 rows with blue 1 and 1 row with brown. Work till the corner of the sock with knit stitches. "12 knit stitches. The last stitch from the corner work together with purl stitch. 11 knit stitches and work 2 stitches together with knit stitch. Work with knit stitches till you get 6 stitches in both sides. Work the row and in the end work 3 stitches together. In this way till the end. Sew the backside.